Today I am sending this awesome DIY crochet yarn kit for Blouse Sonia. It includes all materials and all tutorials that we need to create this blouse at any size we need. So inside of this magazine we have detailed tutorial about Blouse Sonia, colored schemes, instructions in English, beautiful pictures, and also you will get video tutorials on this USB flash drive. There I showed everything, how to create this blouse from the first loop to the last stitch. Also, you can create this blouse in any colors you like. Right now, I am sending to my student these awesome colors and also sample of lace made in the same colors. Besides this, a sample of motif Zuma because I really like this element, crochet hook that is perfect for these threads. USB flash drive includes video tutorials. So we have here everything we need to create this project at home, and you can order such DIY crochet yarn kit at our Etsy shop by using link in the bio.